Hey, it's Chef Evelyn here, and I have some super exciting news. I am here to let you know that applications are officially open for the Chef's Table experience, and they are going to be open all of January of 2022. We are getting started at the end of this month, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So, I wanted to come on and do this video because I realized I don't think I've ever actually really sat down and had a chat with you about what the Chef's Table group experience is, who's it for, why did I create it, how do you apply, what's it about, all of that. And so if you are interested, that is what we're going to talk about in today's video. So first and foremost, what is the Chef's Table group experience, right? So the Chef's Table group experience is a 12-month group coaching program designed to help you transition from chef from hire to CEO of your own culinary business. So it is for women who have been in business at least 1 year or more and are really looking to elevate their business, whether it's you want to make consistent income, so you've been making income, but maybe it's not consistent. Maybe you are looking to attract higher clientele to your business. Maybe you're looking to increase your rates. Maybe you are looking for a way to work less but make more. You want to add an additional income stream. You want to set your business up in such a way that you don't have to be the one in the kitchen all of the time. You want to know and understand marketing and have a strategic marketing plan for your business, right? You want to know how to, do things properly with contracts and agreements. You want standard operating procedures. You really want to set yourself up like legitimately, like outside of just like going to get a business bank account and a PO box, right? But you really are in a place where I really want to feel like a business owner and not a chef that like does gigs, right? And, maybe you're looking to add income streams to your business. Maybe you're looking for, okay, I've been hovering around a certain revenue and I want to expand. Maybe you have been trying to figure things out on your own and you are burnt out and exhausted and you want some direction, you want some clarity, you want some guidance, you want some accountability, right? You want to know what you need to be working on and tired of like trying to figure it out yourself or guessing. That is what the Chef's Table will do for you. So like I said, it's for women who have been in business at least 1 year, right? So if you haven't been in business, then I would suggest more so of something like an intensive to help you kind of map out what you want your business to be, to kind of sort through your ideas. We can talk about that in another video. But the way the Chef's Table works, the way you apply for the Chef's Table is you simply go to chefevelyn.com/program. And there I talk a little bit more about the Chef's Table experience. And there is an opportunity for you to complete a pre-interview questionnaire. Now, this questionnaire is very, very in-depth. And the goal is I really need to know a lot about you, your business, your goals, what's been working, what hasn't been working, to make sure that not only is the Chef's Table group experience a good fit for you, but that you are a good fit for the Chef's Table group experience. Because one of the benefits of being in a community, a coaching community, is having other like-minded people there that you can bounce ideas off of, share best practices with, get, insight, encouragement, glean from their experience, share your experience. And so I interview all of my clients, right? I just don't do open enrollment for the Chef's Table because it's an intimate group of women working together through this process over the course of a year, right? So the way it works is twice a month, there is a group coaching call where I will be taking you through what I like to call my dinner party framework. And it covers all the things we talking about, from all the way from making sure that your foundation is in place, all the way up into creating your strategic marketing plan, to how to attract higher end clients, all of the things in between, right? Creating that high-end culinary brand experience, making sure your customer service is together. So many things, adding a revenue stream if that's what you want to do, figuring out how you can make either passive income or recurring income or high ticket income or on demand income if you don't already have that in your business. And so twice a month you get together and I am coaching you in real time. And there's also Q&A in every session. And what I do, and the reason why I like to keep the cohort very, very intimate, is because I'm going to answer every question on the floor. So yes, is there a time frame for the calls? Yes. But if we need to go over, to make sure that you really understand what you need to be doing for that step, we do that. Along with that are assignments so that you're not just absorbing information. So one of the things that I'm not a fan of is people joining courses or programs or buying products where they get really excited off the information, but they don't implement the actual teachings and trainings that are available to them. So that is built into the Chef's Table experience. So, there's a training call, but then there's an implementation and Q&A call. But what I love about the Chef's Table is there's also an on-demand curriculum about making sure that you are enjoying your life while you're still building your business. Because if you've been on my website, if you watched any of my videos, I am committed to helping women live, cook, and work on their own terms. So we're going to talk about work and we're going to talk about food, right? But I want to make sure that you also are not all work and no play. I want to make sure that you feel confident in what you're doing, that your mindset is there, that your self-care is in place, right? That you are enjoying your life while you're building your business. Because what I see so many times is people kind of putting their life on hold while they're building their business or growing their business, and they look up and a year has passed, 5 years have passed, 10 years have passed, and they still have their life and their other desires on the back burner, and they've sacrificed it at the altar of their business. And I don't want that to be your experience, okay? So we've covered what is the Chef's Table. We've covered who is it for. We've covered how you apply. We've covered when it is. It's twice a month, right? And what's beautiful about it is that in the off weeks when we don't have a call, we have a private Slack community where you can message the other ladies in the cohort, and you can also send me your questions, right? So that you don't necessarily have to wait to the call. So you can send me your questions if it's something that I can answer very quickly and in either a voice note or in a typed response, then you will get responses for that, or they will be answered in the group calls, right? So I love that it's not a Facebook community, because sometimes at this high level of coaching, I like to be very, very high touch. And if we're doing it in Facebook, it's so easy to get distracted, and memes are all up and down your page and all of that kind of stuff. And so at this level, for the time that we're going to spend together, I really like for the experience to be high touch. I like to have access to you. I like to know what's going on in your business. And not only that, yes, you're going to be learning about this high-end culinary brand and all the elements that go with it, but you're still going to be working and making money and having opportunities come your way while you're in the program. And sometimes you need, in the moment, feedback about a proposal or a request that has come your way. And I want the community of women to be there to support you. I also want to be there to support you and give you guidance when those opportunities come up. So I'm super, super excited to invite you to apply for the Chef's Table experience. Like I said, because of the nature of the program, with it being very, very high touch, very, very intimate, we need to make sure that it's a good fit for you. And we need to make sure that you're a good fit for the program. So listen, if you have been wanting to work with me and you've been waiting and trying to figure out a way, and you were like, okay, I'm not ready for one-on-one, this is your opportunity. And we will be together for 1 calendar year. Yes, because it takes time to put together all the pieces. And here's the thing, I like to not only teach you what and how, but I also like to teach you the why, so that as your business grows, as your products and services change over time, that you have the fundamentals of understanding marketing, of understanding client experience, customer service, things like that, right? So that it doesn't matter if your products and services changes, that the teachings will carry you throughout your entire entrepreneurial journey. So one of my clients, she basically told me it's like getting her MBA in culinary entrepreneurship. And I couldn't agree more, which is why it is, think of it as like an executive MBA for 1 year for culinary entrepreneurship. And if that is something that you are interested in and that you've been looking at, or if you've been watching my videos for any amount of time, then I encourage you to go to chefevelyn.com/program to apply. Like I said, we are getting started at the end of this month, and I look forward to seeing you there. Peace.